iPhone 10/XS/XR/11/12/13/14. Won't turn on after charging for long. Finally fixed. You plug in your iPhone. You leave it charging for hours. You come back. Press the power button. And nothing happens. Black screen. No logo. No vibration. No response. You try another cable. Another socket. Still dead. Panic starts creeping in. Is it the battery? The charger? The motherboard? Or is your iPhone completely gone? Today, we're breaking down exactly why your iPhone 10, XS, XR, 11, 12, 13, or 14 won't turn on, even after charging for a long time, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get into it. First, understand what's actually happening. When an iPhone refuses to turn on after charging, it's usually one of 5 things. A deep battery discharge, a software crash, faulty charging accessories, a charging port obstruction, a battery or hardware failure. Most of the time, it's not the motherboard. And yes, it's usually fixable. Step 1. Force restart, most common fix. Your iPhone may not be dead. It may be frozen. Completely frozen. Black screen. Unresponsive. But still powered internally. This is extremely common on iPhone 10, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14. Here's the exact fix. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding. Ignore the black screen. Hold until you see the Apple logo. Yes, keep holding. Sometimes up to 20 seconds. If it was a system crash, your phone will boot instantly. And you're back. Step 2. Check for deep battery discharge. If your battery drained to absolute zero, your iPhone enters protection mode. It won't turn on immediately, even when plugged in. You need patience. Here's what to do. Use an original Apple cable. A plug into a wall socket, not a laptop. Leave it untouched for 30 to 60 minutes. No pressing buttons. No unplugging. Let it build minimum charge internally. After 30 to 60 minutes, try the force restart again. Many dead iPhones come back to life here. Step 3. Inspect your charging cable and adapter. Cheap cables are silent killers. They may show charging symbol, but deliver unstable voltage. That prevents proper boot. Try a different cable, a different adapter, a different wall outlet. If possible, use certified Apple accessories. Unstable power can prevent startup, especially on newer iPhones with battery health protection. Step 4. Check the charging port. Pocket lint, dust, debris. It builds up slowly. Over time, it blocks the charging pins. Your cable looks connected, but it isn't fully seated. Use a flashlight, a wooden toothpick, not metal. Gently remove debris. Do not use needles. Do not force anything. After cleaning, plug it back in. Try again. You'd be surprised how many dead iPhones were just dirty ports. Step 5. Look for screen failure, important. Sometimes, your iPhone is on, but the screen is off. Here's how to test. Plug it into a computer. Listen for connection sound. Call the phone from another device. If it rings or vibrates, your screen may be faulty, not the phone. This is common after drops, a water exposure, a hard impact. In that case, you need screen repair, not a new phone. Step 6. Try recovery mode, advanced fix. If force restart doesn't work, we go deeper. You'll need a computer, Mac or Windows. Connect your iPhone via cable. Open Finder, Mac or iTunes, Windows. Perform the same force restart steps, but keep holding the side button even after Apple logo appears. Release only when you see the recovery mode screen. You'll see options. Update, restore. Choose Update first. This reinstalls iOS without deleting data. If update fails, then consider restore. Warning: restore erases everything. Use it only if necessary. Step 7. Battery health and aging. If your iPhone is 3 to 5 years old, battery degradation may be severe. When battery health drops below 70 to 75%, a voltage becomes unstable. A startup fails. A device shuts down randomly. Check battery health once it powers on. Settings, battery health. If significantly degraded, battery replacement often solves everything, and performance improves immediately. When it's hardware failure, if none of these steps work, possible causes: a dead battery, charging IC damage, a logic board issue, a water damage corrosion. At that stage, professional diagnosis is required. But here's the truth. In most cases, it's either a force restart issue or deep discharge, not motherboard death. Why this happens more on these models. The edge-to-edge iPhones from the Apple Incorporated era, starting with iPhone X, rely heavily on software-controlled power management. If iOS crashes during update, a storage overload, an app malfunction, a low battery shutdown, the screen stays black, but internally, the device is stuck in a suspended state. That's why force restart works so often. It resets the power management controller. Quick fix checklist. If your iPhone won't turn on, force restart. Charge 30 to 60 minutes with wall adapter. Try new cable and adapter. Clean charging port. Try recovery mode update. Check for screen failure. Replace battery if degraded. Go in that order. Don't skip steps. Final thoughts. An iPhone that won't turn on after charging is rarely completely dead. It's usually a crash, a deep discharge, a cable issue, or a tired battery. Understand the cause, and you control the solution. Technology feels scary when it fails, but most problems have logical explanations and simple fixes. If this helped you fix your iPhone, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of everyday tech problems, and watch the next video, where we explain why your iPhone battery drains faster over time and how to extend its lifespan properly. Because the invisible systems inside your phone are always working.